creating our infinite reality, discerning facts from fallacy, toward concerning, we're yearning, connections a blessing, our world within love and light carries us through the darkest times. Rhythmic waves of splendor dance between one's ears. A choice yours to make. On the leading edge, all change occurs here. Within the present, a gift. Please pick up this gift while unwrapping this metaphysical paper for a glimpse. Just observe its beauty. Trust that what's inside is unimportant. Back to now. New understanding. New successes. New triumph. Travel safe, loved one. Nicholas transcends every day. You are too. Show yourself some love. Do it a few times. You'll get used to it. And you'll do it all the time. Many blessings your way. Good day.